So we're looking at the polar equation. R is equal to 3 times cosine of 3 theta. And I have added this in braces so that I can have a slider going from negative pi over 6 to a. And I will have the range for a from negative pi over 6 to positive 5 pi over 6. And here's what you'll observe when I begin my sketch. So as a goes from negative pi over 6 to 0, you will see that the first half of my petal is sketched. And as a continues to go from 0 to pi over 6, you'll see that the top half of my petal is sketched. So the limits of integration that you could use could be from negative pi over 6 to positive pi over 6. And as a, which is representing theta in my polar equation, goes from pi over 6 to pi over 2, you can see that the polar curve is traced out on rays that are opposite the radial lines, because on this interval for theta, r is non-positive or negative, and I get the second petal completed when theta is equal to pi over 2. So one other possibility for my limits of integration would be from pi over 6 to pi over 2. And if you keep going from pi over 2 to 5 pi over 6, you get values of r that are positive or non-negative, and you are tracing the third petal of the rose curve. So the limits of integration could be also from pi over 2 to 5 pi over 6.